What's up? Today, we're gonna be making brownies. That's right. We're making brownies. I don't know if they're gonna turn out very well, but we'll see. I've never made brownies before. I've only made cookies. But we're just gonna make brownies and then we'll see how it goes. Off to a great start. Okay. Preheat the oven to 325. Let's see that. Okay, that took a little bit, but it's fine. We're just gonna do this. Okay, so this actually might be too easy. I just wanted to do like cookies low key, but it's fine. This doesn't help at all. This might be like way too easy. I wanted to do sugar cookies because that might be a little bit more interesting, like me actually putting ingredients, but this is like just in a box. It's okay. I'm actually supposed to have a package come today, and I'm really excited about that because, you know, I need my package. I ordered the IMGA jacket in black. I already have it in the, what's it called? Like the regular original teddy bear color. I already have it in that, and I was like, you know what? We're gonna get black because I love this jacket. So it's supposed to come today, and I want to wear it tonight, but it probably won't come in time, so like it's whatever, it's fine. Also, Christmas is so soon. I don't know if I'm going to be posting this after Christmas or before Christmas, but like Christmas is actually coming up way too fast. Like I feel like I'm not. This actually just happened. I'm just gonna pretend like this did not happen. There, we'll clean it up. No ants are gonna come in and skedaddle the sugars away. So for the rest of this video, I'm gonna have a huge blotch of water on my sweatshirt. Just ignore it because there's nothing I can do. We need a bowl. Get yourself a bowl. Oh my gosh, we're twinning. Me and the bowl are like matching. We love. Fourth thicker, okay. My package just came. So we're gonna take 1/4 cup of water. So you get a little measuring thingy. Like this one. You get 1/4. We kind of made a mistake. That wasn't my package. That was something else for Christmas. So I didn't get my jacket yet. Okay. We're just gonna pour this in. I made another mess. Oh my gosh. All right, so we poured this in here. Now we take, oh my god, there's chocolate chips in this. Yes. This is how much water we're supposed to use. We put in the water, a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. We might not have enough vegetable oil. Now I need to text my mom.
What?
I don't have enough vegetable oil.
Oh yeah, there's a whole new bottle down at the bottom in the cabinet.
That's canola oil.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing, Jess.
Can I mix the two together?
Sure.
Okay, bye. We're okay, it's fine. I didn't know it was the same thing. Oops. I don't have the nails for this. I think we need 1 egg. We poured that successfully, so we're good. The worst part about cooking is cleaning up. Okay, ready? I'm a chef. Oh! I take that back. I'm not a chef. So now we mix. I don't like that sound. So sadly, we probably won't get to do an unboxing with Jessica because my package did not come. It says it's supposed to come by the end of the day. This looks good. Is brownie batter good uncooked? We'll find out. Do not eat raw batter. Oh well, guess what we're doing? After like 25 minutes of filming, my camera just shuts off. It's weird. I don't think this is 8 by 8. I think this is less. I mean, not less, more. Like, this is too big. Does it matter? I think this one is okay. It's gonna add like 2. And more like 4. We're pouring it in. I think this pan is too big. They rise. Do brownies rise, right? Brownies rise? We need to look that up right now, actually. I think it's okay. We're just gonna see where this goes. Oh my gosh, my camera is about to die. And then we set the timer for 40 minutes. And then we'll be back after this short break. Okay, we're back. We made the brownies. They came out of the oven. I let them cool for a little bit. They look good. I think I did do it in a big pan because I mean, look, and then, but I mean, I think they're gonna be okay. We're gonna leave them so they look very nice and great in this this pan. They're kind of too thin. So that was it. That was cooking with Jessica. We cooked some brownies. Yeah, that's pretty much all we did. Didn't get my package yet. If it comes later, I might add that into the video as well so you guys can see what I got. So I already took it out of the bag, the jacket that I got. I just got it a couple minutes ago. So I got this, and I really recommend getting a size extra small if you're like about 5'4", 5'5". Even the models on the IMGO website that are wearing the pixie coat, they are actually wearing an extra small, which is kind of crazy because they're like so tall, like way taller than me. Okay, so as you can see, this is the IMGO pixie coat. It's pretty big. You can see it from the side. So yeah, I think the extra small is definitely a good fit. That's why I decided to get it. I might, like, if I got a bigger size, it might have been too big. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I think that's about it. All right, so I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
1, 2, 3, funky.